We're here at the Hire Garage South, the small boat restoration, working on a 1982 AMF Sunfish. This is Phoenix, one of our family boats. Just doing little cleanup items. Put a rivet in the combing today. Got the combing sanded. We're gonna tape that and repaint it here. Had a few leaks. We've cleaned those up with thickened epoxy down in the daggerboard trunk. Had a leak around the in the cockpit where the baler goes, between the cockpit tub and the hull. There's a small leak there, so we took the baler out, sealed that up with thickened epoxy. Getting ready to install the trim on the cockpit. Just finished sanding off the Marine-Tex that we had to fix a few little cracks on the deck. Now we're over to 1980 AMF Sunfish SUGAR 2. We got all the trim on her today. Got the bow faired. We got to do something with a little bit of touch-up paint or gel coat there. But we repaired the bow. Put on a new bow handle with a new backer block. Painted some stripes with Rust-Oleum Lagoon. One little bare spot here, I'm thinking maybe we put a sunfish sticker over the top of that. Something creative. Went inside, put in a new backer block for the halyard cleat. Installed a combing. This boat was basically completely stripped when we got it. Put in an inspection port. Nice dagger board off of eBay. This is the shadow board. Put in a swivel cam cleat. Put in the cockpit trim. New baler. Been around the entire seam on this boat because it didn't have any trim. Make sure it was, did a leak test on it. It's nice and doesn't leak, basically. I don't know what that means. We took the screws out, the number 8 screws, squirted some epoxy down in there, put in some number 10 screws, silicone bronze, so it'll have minimum amount of corrosion. Sealed the leak in the transom. The one thing we liked about this boat when we first got it is the bottom. The hull was, the bottom part was in great shape. Had a few little nicks along the tine. And the bow was all chowdered up. Someone had taken all of the pieces, all of the trim and everything else off of it. But that was easy enough to put back. So now, she's ready to go. A little repair under there. From a previous owner, it had a bunch of extra white paint. We sanded that off. We filled in these deck scratches, and like I said earlier, went back and redid the stripes. She's got a Mai Tai sail. We'll rig the sail tomorrow. She's got her rudder, and she should be ready for sea trials. This is 1980 AMF Sunfish SUGAR 2. Hope y'all are having a great night.